three states of matter. So we have solid, liquid, and gas. A solid like what, Rahaf? A solid like what?
Ice.
Ice, maybe. Liquid, salsabil. Liquid like what?
Liquid like water.
Water like juice, like oil. Great. So gas like oxygen, carbon dioxide. So we have
Water,
three states of
water
matter.
vapor.
Solid. Sorry? Repeat your question.
You said
I can't hear you. Could you please repeat the question? Rahaf.
أيوة.
Okay, Habibi.
يبقى
What's
قولي
your
water
question?
vapor. قولي water vapor.
Water vapor, yeah, great. It's a form of gases, great. So here we have two kinds of natural resources, renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources that we can find in nature, like the sun, the wind, water. So we can find them anytime.
Yeah.
Okay. Can we wake up in the morning and can find the sun?
No, teacher.
Great. So the sun is one of the most important renewable resources. We can find the sun every morning. We can find the wind every
Yes,
time,
teacher.
even or especially in winter. Okay, we can find water anytime. So the sun, wind, and water are renewable resources. We can find them anytime. But we have another kind of natural resources, non-renewable, like wood, soil, metal, gas. Okay, يعني we can't find them anytime. Okay, someday or sometime we can't find them anymore. As we make consumption of these natural resources, we can't find them anymore. Okay, if we cut a lot of trees every time, we won't find wood.
Yes.
Did you understand it? Did
Yes,
you
teacher.
understand it?
Good.
Great.
Understood.
So we have some extra vocabulary like Mars Alam, journey, read, Salsabil, read.
Okay, teacher. Mersa alam, journey, freezer, holiday, electricity, difference, materials, mine, object, shape, pill color, container, can, sign, state, steam, gold, and candy.
Candy, okay. Pale color. We have dark color and pale color. Okay, so dark black or dark blue, pale blue or light blue. Okay, Rahaf? Okay, Salsabil?
Okay, teacher.
So pale means light. Pale means light.
What, teacher?
Light.
Yes.
Dark blue, pale blue. Okay.
Okay.
Is there anything difficult here? Is there anything difficult or everything is okay?
Yes, everything is okay, teacher. Understood.
Okay, so you have to study the conjunction of the verb. You have to study the present form of the verb, past and past participle. Melt, melted, melted. Boil, boiled, boiled. You have to study these verbs, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, and you have to know these definitions in English. So what does it mean by natural resources? What does it mean by mine? Salsabil, read.
Okay, teacher. Natural resources like things we can use from nature, like wood and soil.
Teacher,
Okay, Raha. Okay, thank you. Raha, read.
teacher,
Okay.
What's wrong? What's wrong, Raha?
okay, teacher, ready? Yes,
Okay, read. Read number 2 and number 3.
okay. Mine at a place where we get raw materials from the ground.
Okay, so we can
Raw
find gold.
materials.
Wait, Habibi, wait just 1 second. We can find gold underground. We can find silver underground. So the place where we can get raw materials is called a mine. A mine. It's a place which is underground. You can get gold, silver,
Materials.
and yes, raw materials. Rough read.
Yes, things that come from the ground like gold or coal.
And coal. So gold, coal, silver, wood, all of them are raw material. We use them in order to manufacture many things. Like we use the wood to make tables and chairs. Okay, we use the gold to make jewelry.
Yes.
So we use the raw materials to manufacture other things. Salsabil, read number 4.
Okay, teacher. Renewable means we can get more after we use it.
Okay, means we can get more after we use it. Okay, so we can find them anytime.
Yeah.
Okay,
Like
Rahaf,
the
read
sun.
number 5. Great. Rahaf,
Not renewable means we can't use it again.
and after consumption, we can't find them anymore. Solid has a fixed shape, like ice, like chairs, like books. All of them are solid. Liquid, like as you said, like water, juice, oil, and the gas like oxygen. Okay, so the gas doesn't have a fixed shape and you can't see it. Can you see oxygen?
No, teacher.
Okay. You have to study these expressions and the prepositions. It's important, or they are so important, to write a paragraph, to make a conversation. These expressions and the prepositions are very important. Look out of, turn from to, like to turn from ice to water.
Yes.
Journey to go on a journey to Cairo, for example. Solar energy, fixed shape, fossil fuels. So carry gold mine, it's a place where you can find gold.
Yeah.
Get warm. Okay, so the fossil fuels here. Okay, what does it mean, fossil fuel? If an animal died,
Such as coal and gas?
maybe. Okay, so for example, if an animal died, so its dead body would be turned into fossil fuels.
Yeah.
Okay, so the fossil fuels, dead animals. Great. Okay, Rahaf, can you read? Salma journey to Marsa Alam.
Yes, teacher.
So Salma went on a journey to Marsa Alam.
Yes.
Read يا حبيبي. It's summer. رهف.
Yes. Yes.
Read يا حبيبي. It's summer.
Uh,
رهف.
uh,
Read. Start from here. It's summer and Salma.
it's summer and Salma and her family and are going to Marsa Alam for a holiday. Salma
Marsa Alam is a place or is a city near
looked out
البحر
of
الأحمر. Near the Red Sea. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Salma looks out. Okay.
Salma looks out of the car with and sees sign
A
to
sign.
the
سكري.
sukari gold mine.
Mine. Okay. What's a mine, Mom? She asks. Salsabil.
Okay, teacher. It's a place where we get the raw materials from the ground, like coal and coal. Are raw materials the same as natural resources? Asks Selma. Yes, usually
Yes.
says Mom.
Wait. Yes, usually says Mom. Natural resources are things we can use from nature like wood and soil. We use them to make the things we need. For example, we use wood to make tables, stone to build houses, and plants for food. The sun is a natural resource because it gives us solar energy to make electricity. Okay, we use the sun to make electricity. Rahaf, read. Rahaf.
Yeah.
Our teacher
says that
says.
coal is variable. Is that right?
Yes, says Mom.
Yes, but
Some natural resources like solar energy are renewable. This means that we can get more of the resources naturally after we use it. But some natural resources are non-renewable. When we burn fossil fuels, such as coal and gas, we can't use them again. Salsabil?
Yes, teacher. Okay. What's the difference between coal and gas? Asks Selma.
Coal is a solid, says Mom. You can pick up a solid object like your bag. It has a fixed shape. So, like your bag is solid. You can't usually see gases, although some have a pale color. Gases move and change shape. Raf,
yeah.
what about?
What about liquid, Mom? Liquid don't have a fixed shape. You can pick up a liquid, which is it?
In a container. So, can we hold water in our hands?
No.
It's supposed to be in a bottle or in a glass. Great. Liquids can flow. For example, you can pour water into a cup. but we can't hold water. Did you know that some solids, liquids, and gases can change from one state to another? Says Dad, if you boil liquid water, it turns to steam, which is a gas. If you freeze liquid water, it turns to ice, which is a solid. When ice melts, it becomes a liquid again. Yes, we learned that at school, says Salma, but I understand it better now. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Okay, who can answer the first dialogue or the
Me,
first
teacher.
question? Okay, Salsabil, you have to read the dialogue as a whole. You have to read it all.
Okay, teacher. Mine, Marsa Adam, yes, what? Hello, Salma. Where did you go for a holiday? I went to space. Space, did you see? I saw the Sakari Gold space. Did you enjoy your holiday? Space very much. I went to Marsa Alam.
Okay, so number 1, Marsa Alam. Wait.
Ability teacher or not?
Number 2,
Me
Salsabil,
again?
number 2. Yes.
Okay. What did you see?
What did you see? Great. Rahaf, number 3. Rahaf.
Yeah.
Number 3. I saw the Sakari Gold. Rahaf. Mine. Okay, great. Did you enjoy your holiday? Yes, I did. Okay, Salsabil, number 1. Solid
Okay.
liquids and gases can change from one
State to another.
state. Number 2, Rahaf. When we water, it turns into steam. When we use the kettle. Okay, so when we again, no, we can melt water. Ice melts. No, not melt. It turns into steam. When you use the kettle to make tea, boil, great. Salsabil?
Okay, teacher. A flows liquid.
Liquid flow. Flows means moves.
Yes.
Flows means moves. Okay. Rahaf, number 4. If you water, it turns into ice. If you ice. Freeze. Great. Salsabil, number 5. Steam
Okay.
is a
Gas.
gas. Don't say gas, it's gas. Gas. Repeat, gas.
Gas.
Rahaf, repeat, gas. Great. Rahaf, ice is a
Salt.
great. Salsabil.
Okay, teacher.
You can pick up a
Solid.
pick up means carry or take a solid. Great. Raf, solids have fix it. Not fixed, no, fix it. Fixed. When you freeze Salsabil, when you freeze water, it turns from a liquid to a
Solid.
solid. Great. golden coal are materials.
Row,
Raw materials. Raw, not raw.
R-A-W.
Yes, raw materials, not raw materials, raw materials. We use to make tables, we use wood. We use wood to make a table. Okay, I'll send it to you on the group. Okay, this page is homework. Okay, guys.
Okay, teacher.
This page is homework. And this is homework too. Lesson 2. Shall we read?
Okay, teacher. Shovel, dig, hole, boons.
Shovel, dig, hole,
Boons.
bones. Okay, Rahaf, read. We have some extra vocabulary. Mountain,
Mountain. They know there. Spirit.
spirit,
Archaeologist.
archaeologists,
Archaeologist.
Yes.
Real.
Thank you, Yaraf. Sasabi, read.
Okay, teacher. I will read what, teacher? The verbs or
No, here.
verb?
We're still here.
Okay. Gazelle, weekend, skeleton, normal, enough.
Weekend. You can say on the weekend or at the weekend. Both of them are right. On the weekend or at the weekend.
Okay.
Okay, you have to study these verbs.
Okay.
Okay, so let's read the expressions and the prepositions. On the ground, take home. For example, to take the groceries home, to take my children home, take home. On the sign here, in this word, silent G. G-N, silent G. Sign. Don't say sign. No, it's wrong. Sign. Give to, interested in. I'm interested in sports. Okay. Egyptian, Geological Museum. Talk to, plan to, listen to, for a day. Move to, look for. Raf, read number 1. Raf, you are the grandpa. You are the grandpa. Amdonia and Salsabil is Tariq. Let's start. Raf, read.
What are you doing tomorrow, children?
Charlie and I are going into the mountains with Dad.
Really? When I was a boy, people told me that there were
Dinosaur.
dinosaurs. Don't be that there were
Good in the mountains.
It's a mountain.
Real? The dinosaur bones, I mean.
I think so. I never saw them, but my friend Ali was taken a hole there and he found some boots.
Wow, Donia, let's take a shovel when we go to the mountains. We might find dinosaur bones too.
سلسبيل.
Okay, teacher, what would you do if we found dinosaurs bones in the mountains, Donia?
If we
If you
feel
found bones, I'm Donia. Don't take my turn. I'm doing it. So, if we found dinosaur bones, I would take them home. If there were a lot of dinosaur bones, I would give one to Grandpa. He's very interested in dinosaurs.
I don't know. I think we should call an expert. If I found dinosaur bones, I would call the museum and tell them.
Okay, that's a good idea. And if the archaeologists from the museum came, maybe they would find a whole dinosaur skeleton.
Okay, and if the skeleton went in the museum, they would put our names on the sign. It would say found by Donya and Tariq.
Wow, that's cool. Okay, so you can read it after we finish.
What, teacher? I didn't hear you.
I'll tell you. Where's the page? I have missed the page. Just 1 second.
Page 125. Yes.
125. Just 1 second. So here you can read it at home. You can read this part at home. Okay, just for reading. Okay, so today we're going to cover if conditionals, if conditional one, the first conditional. Okay, we use if the first conditional to talk about events which will probably happen in the future. For example, if I have money, I will travel. It means when I have money, I will travel. We use if, the first conditional of if, or if type 1, to talk about future events, to talk about future events. Okay, guys?
Okay.
We will repeat it next time, inshallah. Just a little hint on this board today. Here we use if first conditional to talk about future events. For example, if I have money, I will travel. What is the formation or what is the rule of first conditional? If plus present simple plus will plus infinitive verb. Okay, Rahaf, read this. Rahaf, read.
Yeah. If we go to the museum,
We will see the dinosaur bones. Okay, so if at the beginning of the sentence, if plus present simple plus future simple will plus infinitive verb. سلسبيل, If
Yes,
is in the middle.
yeah.
If is in the middle. Future simple, then present simple.
Okay.
So if at the beginning of the sentence plus present simple plus will plus infinitive verb. How about if in the middle? Future simple.
Future simple thing.
In here present simple. Okay.
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 Rahab, did you understand it?
Yeah.
Okay, we use type 1 to talk about future plans, to talk about future plans or future events. How about second conditional? We use it for imagination. Now I don't have any money, okay? If I had money, I would travel. Okay, so here, in the first conditional, I'm talking about future events. If I have money, I will travel. But here, I'm talking about imagination. I'm poor now. I don't have any money. If I had money, it means in Arabic لو معايا فلوس أنا هقدر أسافر. Okay, I don't have any money now. I don't have any money. So if I had money لو معايا, I would travel. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. If it snowed in October, did it snow last October? Or does it snow in October, every October? Does it snow in October? Does it snow in summer?
No.
No. So if it snowed in October, it would be very surprised. Okay? Keep in mind that in the first conditional, with the present simple, we use will plus infinitive verb. With the past simple, we use would plus infinitive verb. Present simple, will. Past simple, would. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
We use the first conditional to talk about future plans. We use the second conditional to talk about imagination that won't happen. Imagination. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Here, it rains, I want to go to school. Use if.
If it
Salsabil.
rains, okay, if it rains, I want to go to school.
Okay, if plus present simple plus future simple.
Yes.
We will repeat it next time, inshallah. Rahaf,
Inshallah.
read. Rahaf,
Yeah.
read. I don't study hard, I don't succeed.
I don't.
If I studied hard, it means in Arabic لو كنت ذاكرت.